Hello, dear Karishma. Most welcome to Insignia Learning, your next class of public speaking and making better communication. So, what we are going to do today now? So, we are going to like have a role play. And
Okay.
what is it? The role play. So, it is going to be one of the best class to teach you. I'm focusing to teach you how to control emotion when you are going to speak, how to have an cognitive agility, like learn to answer unexpected questions, speak without memorizing things, how to have structural clarity when you are going to speak, and also how to handle the physical pressure.
Okay.
So we are going to start with an icebreaker challenge, and here is the rule for the icebreaker challenge. So yeah, we are going to try one truth or one lie. So how you generally lie? So you have your expression low, your eyes contact here and there, and your voice is not that much confidence. And when you say something that is true, that is of the relevant, so your eye straight to that particular person in case of the camera right now, and your voice feels sounds very confident. So you have to speak one truth and one lie. You can take help of the screen, or if you are good at it, so you can speak one truth and one lie at your own.
Okay. By one truth and one.
Lie.
Okay. Okay. So the truth is the Krishna sir is the best teacher in the world for me. That is truth.
Okay.
And the lie is I am very fluent English speaker.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I will also try one truth and one lie. The truth is, Karishma is the best student in the world for me, and the lie is,
It was
and
truth.
Karishma cannot become a confident speaker. It
Not.
was a
Oh.
lie.
Okay. Okay. I cannot. I
Okay,
said it's
here
a
is the next
can.
challenge. Like for 30, for 1 minute or 2 minutes, you have to speak fluently, without
Okay.
stopping, without making a sound. You have to speak continuously, rapid
Okay.
fire speaking. Okay, that is the rule. And
Okay.
if you want think, so I'll allot you some time to think upon it. But once you started, you are not allowed to stop, or you are not allowed to hiss or any do anything like this. So you have to speak continuously for 1 minute.
Okay.
Like you can talk about my biggest dream, my favorite teacher, Krishna sir, and my why books matter, one mistake that changed my life, my happiest memory, or any topic of your own you want to speak.
Okay. So may I start?
Yeah.
Okay. So I want to start with first. Okay.
Hmm.
So my biggest dream is to become an army officer in the Indian Army. It is my biggest dream. That's it. And my favorite teacher is Mr. Krishna Bohra sir. He is a gentleman. He's outstanding teacher in this world for me, and I can share my everything with him. He's a very inspirational and motivational person for me, and I would say that I'm lucky to have such a nice teacher like him. And why book matters? So book it's very important for us because it gives us knowledge, confidence, and this self discipline. It also gives the understanding of it is also helpful for us to it is also helpful for us to giving right wrong. Oh, it's done.
Yeah. 1 minute over.
Okay.
Well,
So what?
wonderful. You spoke wonderfully this time. It was unexpected. Dear audience, whatever she said about me, like I'm the best, etc., this was neither scripted and nor it been paid. She
Yeah.
been paid for this. She said truly from her bottom of heart. Is it correct?
Yeah, it's absolutely correct.
It's like what
Paid
happens when
world,
everybody get paid something or got influence, then they speak about something, but it was very natural viewpoint for me, I suppose. What do you say?
Yeah, it's very natural for me. It's from my bottom, from my heart. It
Yes,
was genuine. It was authentic,
authentic.
whatever.
Hmm. Okay, now so we are having role play for today in order to improve your fluency and whatever you have learned till now, like voice inflection, voice modulation, the use of the body language, making eye contact, and we learned a lot of things, right? How to organize answer into the structure. We also have learned this. So you have to integrate all of those things and you have to spoke for each and every role play. So here is a role play. I'll ask question. We are having different scenarios. So the very first scenario is the job interview. Like we have done this previously too. So scenario, you are attending your dream job interview and you know what it was, and so you can say the question is why should we hire you instead of other candidate. So what could be your response? You have a time to think upon it. If you want to take off 1 minute, and then you have to answer this question under 1 minute. You are not allowed to
Okay,
exceed
like
1 minute or not no less than 1 minute. And rule is simple: no flickering, no his sound. You have to speak continuously for 1 minute.
there are many candidates who have a lot of knowledge and also they are very spoken. But in my why you will select me? So I have growing mindset, I have jolly nature, and I always prove myself each and every day. I work upon every day, not as I work upon that every single day. I always think about how can I become better version of myself, and I like to work with the peoples and next
Internet was quite slow, but your response was impressive this time too. Okay, so you mentioned that, like I was not able to hear what you actually mentioned. Some, like, could you repeat it?
I said whole sentence
Like the main keyword you said in the interview, the question, answer of the question.
because okay, because I have growing mindset, jolly nature, and I like also work with people, and I always work upon myself that how can I improve myself every single day. I have growing mindset. I maintain consistency. I have jolly nature.
What jolly nature means?
Jolly nature is the friendly nature, amiable nature.
Wow,
Oh,
like the answer was impressive. But few think if you find important, like can be improvised, you can add on your list. So you should answer value preposition like bring dedication, quick learning ability, and positive attitude. Hunger to learn, always ready to improve and solve problems. You mentioned this one regardless of the previous experience. You are very committed of your job, whatever it is given to you. A place to work with absolute dedication and give your best every single day. So these you mention, like you can also say bring dedication and quick learning ability. More or less you mentioned that was the next scenario. Ready?
yeah.
So here is very angry customer. Understand the scenario. So scenario
Yeah.
is a customer brought a laptop from your store and it stopped working after 2 days, and he's shouting at you, and you are the sales girl at the customer at the shop. And so what, how will you handle question, what are you going to do? The customer is completely refused to calm down. He's like shouting, you has got the worst laptop ever, it is not working, you cheated me, and you cheated every single person, you are a fraud, your company is fraud, you are totally
I
not
will
good
say
person.
exit gate
And
is
do you want me to be that customer?
right. Said exit gate is there. You can go. No,
Hmm?
I said, I said, sir, please.
Oh, that was Sevi's reply. But here is the condition: you have to answer him politely, since you are not the boss of the company. You are only a sales girl over there. Okay, so you have to answer politely in order to save your job. Also, not getting harshly scolded from your boss. So you have to answer him politely, and also you have to respond him like the laptop may have some technical problem, that's why it is not working, or whatever you can answer. If you want to me to become that customer, so I can become.
Oh, you want to become.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, of course.
What is this laptop? I brought it 2 days and it completely stopped working. What are you doing in this store? And you are fraud. Your company is fraud. You are cheating. You wasted
Calm
my time,
down.
money.
Calm down.
I'm not going to calm it down. You
Calm
are a
down, sir. Please calm down.
fraudulent person.
Calm
Your
down, sir.
policies,
Please.
everything is based on fallacy.
I agree.
How
I agree.
dare
I
you to sell me this
calm down,
laptop?
sir.
I'll
Sir,
slap
please hear.
you.
Sir, hear me. Sir, please hear me. Calm down, sir. Calm down. And maybe there have any. Uh,
What authority you have? You are only sales girl.
I
You
will
are.
slap you.
I'm going to talk to your boss. Call your manager.
Calm down, sir. Calm down. Calm down. How can I help you, sir? What happened? Why are
Your
you so
laptop
scared?
is not working.
It's okay, sir. Why are you क्यों बीपीआई कर रहे हो सर अपना मैं कोड दूंगी आपको
Remember, you are only a sales girl. How dare you to talk to me like that?
I'm sorry, sir. I didn't mean it. We will find that what is exactly problem is this, and we will try to solve it. Why are you getting angry? It's okay. You got calm
Will I
now.
got refund for this
Yeah,
nonsense
yeah, yeah.
laptop?
Yeah, sir. Of course, sir.
Wow, how
Yeah.
polite and gentle, Tinder you are. Can I slap you?
No, 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 no.
All right. So it was good also, but not that much good. It was in the interview and
Because you didn't show me that anger.
okay.
Yeah.
The third scenario.
Expert strategy, emotional intelligence, and conflict management. Wow, interesting.
Like this was the answer and explanation of how could you answer to this particular question. Like we are in somebody else's house, so I cannot actually show you the anger at this time. Like everybody will woke up, some may got heart attack,
So
so I
I
don't
can
want to be the cause.
in this scenario, I will become that customer, and you will respond me very calmly. Okay.
Shut up.
Okay. So
So how can you answer de-escalate empathy? So I completely understand your frustration. I apologize for this inconvenience. You can answer like this. And investigate process. Let's solve it together. I'll inspect the laptop immediately and resolve satisfaction, and arrange a replacement or repair according to our policy. My goal is to ensure you leave satisfaction. Like you can give the customer refund whatever according to the policy of the company. It was all right. So scenario: you are the mayor of your city and heavy flooding has affected thousands, and media suddenly came to you and they asked for a lot of things. Why weren't preparations made earlier? We lost thousands of life and still people are suffering from it, and like everybody is angry. So this time if you want me to be media, I can be.
okay.
नहीं पूछ लेता हूँ, don't worry. So ma'am, we lost thousands of life due to that particular flood. My simple question is why you haven't prepared it for earlier. Like we could have saved the life of those thousand people. People are crying, they lost their loved ones, some of them lost their life, some of them lost their family, brothers, sisters, and still people are facing that flood, and we may lost thousands of life again. You could have saved those hundred of people. You could have made the best preparation uh, to come out of that particular flood. Why haven't you? made the earlier preparation?
Oh, well, it was a natural disaster, and we are not
Ma'am,
prepared
how
for.
can you say it was a natural disaster? We all are accepting it was a natural disaster. My question is why you didn't prepare earlier, so we could have saved life
So
from
how can
the disaster.
I know that it is coming? How
Who is
how
asking you to know that?
तो क्या क्या बिल्कुल इंसान है, उसको कैसे पता होगा कि कब आ रहा है फ्लड, कब नहीं आ रहा है करके?
There could be
क्या
lot
वो
of
बैठा
natural
रहेगा कि
disaster. So what was your NDRF national disasters team was doing? What was your meteorological department doing? So if you may know something about
they
that
are
particular disaster, so
sir,
why there was
sir,
not
they are
the
working.
proper
No,
preparation
no,
for
sir,
this?
sir, they are working their job. They are helping the peoples, and
Then why did we
they
lost
all.
hundred of life, thousand of life there? Whose accountability is this? Those people who lost their thousand.
You were media. What are you doing here? You should help out
That is
those
my work.
people,
I am doing
and
my work. I am asking
you
question to
are
you.
asking question to
Asking
me,
question is my
and
duty.
you are
I am
responsibility to become to
completely
help to
accomplishing my
not record everything.
duty. Your
No,
accountability
no,
is
no.
taking care of life, taking care of those 100
So,
people.
so
Why haven't you take
I'm going
your
to take care of
accountability?
you, but you are wasting my time. I was just going there, and you are
You
here
are going.
on
Why
wasting
you
my
are going?
time.
We lost 100 of life yet, and we may provide.
Media, it's your responsibility.
Media is not
Because of you,
responsible.
this happened.
I've been not
Because
elected by
media
the
is not
people
doing that
to work on their life.
job
My
properly.
question is simple. Ask
Yeah,
question
you
from to
should.
a mayor.
Media need only his media need only his content and all. They don't care who lives, who dies. So it is जबर जो भी हो
You
रहा है
are
बस
a
आपकी वजह से हो
corrupt
रहा है. Just
politician.
you. Yeah, I am corrupt, but you
I
are
am
also
the
corrupt.
representative of those thousand
No, you
unspoken
are
people,
corrupt. You are
those
also corrupt.
thousands poor
You are
people. I'm asking question on behalf of you.
you are
India
mastermind of
wants
this.
to
You
know.
are
ओके एंड
just
करते
media
हैं
का
जी सर.
कमाल.
काफ़ी ज़्यादा हो गया था. तो you should have showed empathy for victims in this case. You didn't show any empathy. तुम्हारा लगा कि फेंक दो, जो मर गए हैं उनको कूड़े कचरे में फेंका हो. इट्स लाइक आर प्रायोरिटीज टू हेल्पिंग एवरी अफेक्टेड फैमिली. सो आप ना कुछ जैसे नेता अक्सर ऑफर करते रहते हैं कि 25-25 लाख भिजवा देंगे, तो इस तरह से आप कुछ हेल्पिंग ऑफर कर सकते थे. और अगर आप अच्छे नेता होते तो आप अपोलॉजी भी मांग लेते कि यस, दो वी डिड आर बेस्ट, हमने बहुत अच्छा किया, बट स्टिल आई एम वेरी सैड फॉर दोज 100 people. वी couldn't save them, but we are surely hard working on the project, on this project to save those 100 of people, and I assure you that we are not going to lose the life of those 100 people again this time. तो मतलब फ्यूचर में ना आप अपनी स्ट्रैटेजीज़ को बता सकते हो कि हम आप कैसे काम कर रहे हैं, और आप थोड़ी सी अकाउंटेबिलिटी मतलब फ्यूचर के लिए दिखा सकते हो. जो हो गया हो गया. क्वेश्चन तो ऐसे ही पूछते हैं ना मीडिया वाले. मतलब अगर अच्छे मीडिया वाले होंगे तो, दल्लू होंगे तो मेयर साहब ही कहेंगे. ठीक है. अब अगला क्वेश्चन है, अगला सिनेरियो बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है. तो द डिबेट चैलेंज. तो सिनेरियो है अ कलीग मेक्स अ डेफिनेटिव स्टेटमेंट, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस विल रिप्लेस टीचर. सो इसमें ना काइंड ऑफ ए डिबेट इन्वॉल्व है. तुम्हारे पास चूज़ करने के लिए ऑप्शन है कि तुम कौन. नाउ डेज एवरी फील्ड ऑफ लाइफ, वेदर इट इज़ एग्रीकल्चर, फार्मास्यूटिकल्स, मेडिसिन, health, teaching, every sector is dominated by AI, and it is still growing. So there is high probability AI will replace human being in every field of life, and including in field of the teacher. So in future we would have the AI teacher who will have ability to teach children's way more efficient than the teachers who are teaching it now.
Well, yeah, there is no debate about it. But AI can't replace a teacher. They can't make the bond like a pure bond like a teacher and their student. They connected each other with emotionally and other other ways.
ओके, हाँ, तो इसमें मतलब ठीक था, लेकिन और चीज़ें ऐड कर सकती थी। एक आपने इमोशन बोला था, जो काफ़ी लंबा चौड़ा खींच दिया आपने। दूसरा आप कह सकते थे एम्पैथी, लैक एम्पैथी, इमोशन। और दूसरा आप कह सकते हो एथिकल, जो है ग्राउंड में एआई अच्छा नहीं है, ठीक है। ही कैन बी बायस्ड, ही कैन बी प्रेजुडाइज्ड, तो आप ऐसा कह सकते थे। जैसे इसमें क्या है, ही लैक इमोशन, ही लैक वैल्यूज़, टीचर इंस्पायर क्रिएटिविटी एंड मॉरल वैल्यूज़, यूटिलिटी एआई शुड बी positioned as an assistant not as a replacement. So these were the point you could have like integrate. The next one to role play number 5, and I think this is probably the last role play. So a difficult boss. I will be the difficult boss. Scenario is that your boss asks you to work on Sunday. You already promised your family you will attend an important function, and your boss is still like insisting on the Sunday working, and he's giving
Incontrovertible.
like I am the boss. Okay. Hi Karisma, how are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
Okay, tomorrow is Sunday and we have lot of work to do. We are getting continuously 500 new clients this week. So we have to settle them all and we have to connect them with us. So we had a lot of work, and so I want your contribution, little contribution to the Sunday. So if you could work on one and two climate, like we have 500 clients, but I'm only asking for one and two client, working on the one and two client and get connected with those client with us. So do you like to do that?
I'm really very sorry, sir, because tomorrow is my daughter's birthday, and it's her first birthday, and it's very important to attend this. Apologize for this, sir, and I think it's very important for me. I
Hmm.
hope you will understand me.
Yeah, I'm like I can surely understand. देखो ना, इसमें जितना हो सकता है मैं तुमसे काम करवाने की कोशिश करूँगा, जितना इमोशन डाल सकता हूँ। तुम भागने की कोशिश करना जितना हो सकता है, ठीक है। या आई श्योरली
Okay.
कैन अंडरस्टैंड वो। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कंग्रेचुलेशन टू योर डॉटर on your first birthday, and also to you, like it is very great day for you, important day of your life. I'm blessed with this, and I would like also to attend this and brought some gift for you. So tomorrow is your daughter's birthday, so it might be a function around 2 and 3 hours at night, right? So I'm
And
asking you for day. So could you please come to work in a day for a couple of 4 and 5 hours?
And so actually, I already promised her that tomorrow, the whole day, I will stay just with her, and I have to visit the temple with her, and
Yeah,
I
I
have to
can.
do shopping with her, and I hope so
Mhm.
you will understand me.
Yeah,
I
I
can't.
can.
I'm sorry,
Like,
sir. I
yeah,
can't.
okay.
I can't.
Yeah, I can understand. Yeah, like it is. Yes, when we have birthday, so we have to plan a lot of things. So the question is of shopping, planning everything. Like I'll call my assistant workers to shop everything. You just give me the list of the things, items you want, and I will manage everything. Like they guys will plan your birthday, your child's birthday, and it would be, I promise, the best birthday ever. They will decorate it, they will plan it, they will manage it. So you need not to take care of the items, the whatever the shopping you wanted to do, I'll do it. You just mention, they give me the list, my workers assistant will do that. But you have to
Oh,
like work for few hours, and rest of the work I assure that we will do it by ourselves.
really very thank you, sir, for thinking about my daughter like this. I'm really very thankful to you, sir. But my daughter wants to only work, only only spend her whole day with her mother. So, sir, really sorry, sir. I can't come. She live only with her mother.
Like I have no problem, so you can bring your daughter to the office, or like you can also work from your home apart from your daughter.
Sir,
I
Sir,
will
actually,
send one of assistant to assist you. Like you only have to work with work for those client for few hours.
actually, sir, there will be a rush. Her many friends are also coming in function, and they all will leave. We are also planning for
Okay, all right. Like you can invite all her
picnic,
friends,
picnic, picnic.
family, relatives
Yes, yes, sir. Sorry, sir. I
at
hope you
evening. At
understand
evening,
me.
na, because
No,
birthday
no,
is
sir.
at evening.
Actually, we are at tomorrow morning. I will go temple with my daughter and my with my husband, and then we will go for shopping. Then we will also planning for the picnic, and we will enjoy whole day from there. And after that, we will come. Then we will cut the
Okay, yeah, I
cake,
understood,
and we
Karishma.
have a
All right, I understood. I remember the day when like you don't have any job, you are begging outside the temple, and I eventually saw you and I brought you in this company. I hired you without any kind of experience, without any kind of education. I trained you, I educate you, I give you the position, I give you the salary. I like literally feed you for 20 years, and today we are getting like 200 unexpected clients. I'm so handling those 500 plus expected clients, and all of the workers are like agree to work on the Sunday, and you are the one whom I take care most in this company. I give everything to you, and you are like not accepting this only few hours of work on the Sunday.
sir. Sir, I'm very thankful to you, and I will always thankful to you
Like if you are
to give
not,
me such a thinking, sir. You can understand me, and I what today what
like
I
if you are
am just
not
because of
interested,
you, sir.
so now you
No,
can
no, sir.
like
No, no,
choose other
sir.
job.
No, no, sir. It's not like that. But we
You
have
can choose
also
other
our
job. Okay,
personal life.
I will, like I have the best employees who are ready to work with me on this Sunday.
Now, yeah, sir. You are, sir. You are emotionally blackmailing, sir, me.
You can
And
choose, you can choose other job. Like I'll hire for that particular post someone else.
sorry, sir. I will find another job because my personal and professional life are very different.
You know,
I
Charisma,
don't
what you
want
are
to
the,
involve overthinking. क्या क्या कैसे 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 सर है ये एक पीटो
you
इसको.
are the worst employee ever. You are nonsense, you are rubbish.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, I will
Still,
kidnap
I
your
will be
daughter.
very grateful to you.